Right next to me, I have a face that is not a stranger to your screens. Do you want to say hi to the camera?
What up? How you guys doing? Sorry, I ramble. How you guys doing?
Okay, so we're here with Swiss from the Big Brother house. Obvious question, how's life post Big Brother?
Hectic. I mean, it's not the life I used to live. Right now, it's crunch time. I like it.
I see your jacket says priorities changed. Have you changed much since the house? Have your priorities changed?
I've changed a lot. I don't fight with people anymore. I'm a calm guy now.
That's growth. We love to see growth. Do you want to tell us about your outfit, perhaps?
Luzuko said we're going to blue and white party. So, I rocked up in blue and white, and it's gold and black. So.
Oh no, Luzuko's the friends that our parents warned us about for sure. Are you a big Zulu fan?
I'd say when it comes to vernac music, yes. It has to be Duncan, Big Zulu, and what's this guy's name? Sorry, I can't say his. Can I do this?
Zagwe.
Yeah, Zagwe.
Oh, Zagwe.
Sorry, I did this.
I mean, fair, we got it. So, Big Zulu is giving us a fire album today that is launching at midnight. What collab are you looking forward to on the album?
I saw he's got a track with MT.
I mean, everyone's looking forward to that.
I want to see how they go bar for bar.
And what's your general music type? What do you generally listen to?
I'm a hip hop head, bro. Like foreign, home. I'm hip hop, R&B hip hop, bro. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us for this short interview. Do you want to say anything to your people?
Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. Keep supporting the boy, and I'm gonna keep trying to make you proud, man. Shout out to you guys.
Is there anything we should look forward to very soon, maybe?
TV again, just yet.
Okay.
Just keep an eye out on the TV
Pay your
screen. You might see a little
license.
Pay
your TV license. Shout out. Thank you.
Ndlunkulu, I think it is.
Thank you so much. Shout out.
Thank you.